Yeah, so GM folks, this is Ulti this side, and today I'm presenting you all Vega, an on-chain solution for executing and building your own agentic AI flows, workflows. Yeah, basically we can understand it as an ecosystem where you can create your own agentic playgrounds. Like agents can interact with each other, you can control them, like what agents can interact with each other, and if agents are exchanging valuable information, they can even pay each other via expo to micropayments. And each agent has an identity embedded with A2A and ERC8004 for privacy and proper verification of agents. Let's deep dive into the diagram of the protocol and like understand how Vega actually works. So let me just give me a moment. And yeah, so how Vega actually works behind the scenes is like user as a user, you can create your endless amount of agents. You can create an agent which has a capability of a CEO. You can create an agent which has a capability of a coder. You can create an agent which has a capability of like endless capabilities. We can create agents for anything. We can create agents for Twitter posting. We can create an reply agent. But what if I say, like, let's take an example. If I'm working on a product, like, let's suppose I'm working on this particular product. Now I need three people on a panel of agents, a CEO, a CTO, and a CMO. Now, if one agent does that task, would be that efficient? No. So we have separation of concerns here. Like if there's a agent for who thinks like a CEO, who can present all the ideas and articulate them, how about that? We get strategic analysis from that particular agents. We are right now, this agent is powered with OpenAI GPT-4, but that doesn't matter. You can just create your own agent powered by any AI and you can register it to Vega. Yeah. Then apart from that, as like we can see, we have execution engine. What Vega actually is, you can have your own execution engine. We have our own execution engine. We have our own workflow validators, which behind the scenes use YAML parsers. You can define your own YAML flows, like how what agents can interact with which agent at the moment. Like if as a CEO I need some technical helps, I can communicate with the CTO and pay them via exposure to micropayments. How about that? I just have to grab one from the agentic marketplace. Let's start with a quick demo of Vega and how these agents actually work. Yeah, CEO, we have a CTO, and we have a CMO. And to summarize all the ideas, we have a sentiment analyzer, and or we can say analyzer, or we have a listener agent who listens all the conversation and it summarizes those conversations for you. Here's the live demo. Yeah, so we got the feedback from the CEO, like AI powered agentic for at first represents a quite and to like they are discussing now as a CTO what are the viewpoints of a CTO. They're thinking and they are giving. Yeah, so we are getting. What are the primitives of the idea, what are the marketing challenges they can face, what are the technical challenges they can face, what are the viewpoints of a CEO, like what are the revenue models. And if we talk about the final summary, like we have a summary analyzer. So we have a CEO perspective, we have a CTO perspective, we have CMO perspective. And similarly, as we add more agents to this ecosystem, we can have agents for like thinking financially. You can create agents for literally developing an application from what you have gathered. For you can have, like, one example could be one agent can read docs for your live from the internet about particular protocol, like how to integrate those hooks, how to integrate the backend, how to integrate the SDK, and one agent could just get gather that feedback and get that code up. So let me just give you a quick glimpse of how Vega actually works behind the code, like how our code is actually working. Let me just yeah. Yeah, so if we see, like we have these agents live, we have been earning these agents. Vega provides you, you can, when you're registering your agents, you can simply just set their cost, parameters, and other things. And users from other protocols just simply just have to plug in your agentic IDs and your URL into their YAML file, and yeah, you're good to go. So this is the introduction to Vega, and we are really excited to launch our product on-chain FBIY base. So let's go all in agentic. Thank you.